Hey Cartelians! So I just wanted to show you this latest thing that I'm absolutely in love with. Right, basically I'm a very visual person. I do a lot of kind of educational videos with whiteboards and things like that, and previously I've got quite expensive devices like Scribed and shit like that is designed to enable me to do a recording like this one where I'm doing a sort of description. Okay, so I might be saying let's sort of go from here over to here, and then we've got these things coming out of here, and it's really simple for me to sketch this in real time whilst talking to you guys. Okay, and this is like a whiteboard, so I can keep going down like a little way, like down here, and then I can just go to a new page. Right, so basically this is my setup. Right, so I'm going to change my color because I can. Okay, so I've got an iPad, I've got a cheap stylus. I'm talking like $10 stylus is all you need, and it's not a new iPad either. Okay, now I am a Mac user, and I've got the iPad connected to my Mac via a cable. Okay, and then I'm using ScreenFlow, I think it is, to record. ScreenFlow to record. Now, you just use whatever screen recording device you want. I like ScreenFlow because it's easy and it syncs up with my good quality microphone and things like this. Okay, and then all you do is you open up QuickTime like this, and you go to File, New Screen Recording. New movie recording, and then you have options here where you can pick what you want to record from. In this case, it's the iPad and this microphone. I'm not actually going to record, although you can record from this, and then it will only capture your iPad screen. If I'm using ScreenFlow on the whole screen, I can now jump onto a web browser and carry on with my presentation and so on, right? But when I want to actually sketch things out, I do it with this. So I think this is going to be a bit of a lifesaver. I think it's going to be a lifesaver, and that's why I wanted to share it with you guys in case you've got a similar kind of issue. Even if you're not someone that does presentations or doesn't have to explain stuff to your staff or anything like that, I think this is actually quite a cool out and about whiteboarding app, even if you don't connect it up. And so the whiteboarding app, which is the other bit I should probably describe, is called BaiBoard, I think it is. Let me come out of it. Yeah, BaiBoard 3 in this case. And yeah, so it's called BaiBoard 3. It's probably got in-app purchases that I haven't found yet, but to be honest, for a few bucks it's worth it. So there you go. You can do like all other kind of stuff, like if you don't want to hand draw, you can do little shapies like this. I think you can add in files. Yes, that's one of the things they talk about. So you can like add in like you can annotate PDFs and photos and stuff, which is pretty cool. There's icons, and then I think one of their main selling points here is that you can do like web sharing and stuff like that, and you can export it, so you can export your scribblings in various different ways and all of that good stuff. Now obviously I'm recording straight to my my main computer, so I don't give a care about those things. So there you go. I hope this helps you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.